Okay, hello. No. Okay, otherwise later, okay? Okay, so hello, Eric and Ryan, how are you? Good. So can you tell me what's this anagram?
Anagram.
Okay, actually I don't know how to spell it. Anagram.
You mean?
Anagram. How do you spell anagram?
I don't know.
Anagram. A-N-A-G-R-A-M. A-N-A-G-R-A. Okay, so almost. Okay? Anagram. Do you know what's anagram?
No.
So today we're going to write a function to check if two strings are anagram. For example, like
that.
listen
Listen.
and silent. These two are anagrams. So can you tell me what? Can you describe to me?
They got the same letters in.
Yes, exactly. So some letters only once. Yes, you see.
I don't even notice.
S, I, T, E, L, N. So every letter use the same amount, same number.
Oh yeah.
So how do
like T and eat. Yeah.
Yeah. Like,
Ow
but
and
this is not T and T. This is not a anagram, but eat is right. You can different orders.
T
yeah?
and eat.
Okay.
And love. And ow.
Oh yeah, yes, exactly, yes. So this is anagram, okay, anagram.
Also,
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so anagram. So today we're going to talk about writing a function. Yeah, define, check anagram. Yeah, check anagram. Okay, so we just write it as check. Okay, S0. S1 and S2, okay? S1 and S2, two strings. And you need to return true if they are anagram. Okay, otherwise return false. So tell me, if two strings are different lengths, different size, are they anagrams?
no.
No, they must not be anagram, right? Because they are different size, right?
Yeah.
Yes, right? Like, let's try 10 or, I don't know, 10.
Net.
10.
10 and net. Net.
Okay, for 10 and net, yeah. 10 and net are anagram, but 10 and netty are not anagram, right?
Netty.
Yeah? Do you understand?
What's netty?
I don't know, I just made it up, okay? Okay? So how do we do this? The question, how do we do it? I move it in the middle, okay? Define is anagram taking two parameters, S1, S2. What am I missing here?
Column. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Ryan, you can get the next one.
Oh yeah, baby.
So how can we do it? We need to count, yeah. We need to count the number of the frequency for each letter. Am I right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can do it in. Remember, we talk about the dictionary objects, right? The dictionary object in Python. Eric, Ryan, please, Ryan. So in Python, we got this. What do you call it? Curly brace.
Yeah. Calibrate.
Curly brace. So we can have, look, if we do this, if we have this, let's call it A1, okay? A1. Look, Eric. Maybe call it A1, yeah? A1. This curly brace, and then if I loop,
I can't see.
if I iterate the characters in this S1. For example, if this is 10, okay? If this is 10, if I in S1, what am I missing here? Column, yes. And then I can say if A1 if this A no actually if I in A1, then I can do what? I can A1 I plus equals 1 else A1 I equals 1, okay? So what it means is that I loop this T. For example, Eric, look T And then if t is in A1 is empty, so it's not like airs, then and A1t would be equals 1. So what do we have? This curly brace, and then we have this t, and which is 1, okay? And then going back again, t, e also is not appear, so we put an e here, and then n here. If I have another like tennis, okay? If it's tennis, and n, okay, if n appears in A1, so this will be increment to 1, right, Eric? Yeah, you get it, Eric? Yeah. Do you get it? And then I will be I, and S will be 1 as well. So basically, this is the map of counting that each letter and how many times they appear in a word. Am I right, Eric? Look at this. Yes? Okay, so we can copy this to the S2 and then return A1 equals A2, right? Then we can compare if two mapping are the same. Got it? Yeah, but this is too much complicated, right? And we can avoid checking this, the key, if it's already there. So how do we do it? We can using another way. Look. A1.
For range.
No. We can do this. Actually, we can do this. Look, we can do this. Dictionary 1 equals. Look, this is the magic word. Counter.
Counting.
What's counter mean? Counter
It's
S1.
a thing.
And then D1, D2 equals counter S2. And then what do we do? There's a magic line here. Can you guess?
Are you kidding me? Return
Yes, you got the first part.
D1.
Yes.
Anagram.
Yes. And next?
Anagram. D2.
Okay. And then what's in the middle?
S1.
No.
Colorimeter. Bracket.
No.
Lesser.
Sorry.
Smaller.
What's the other one?
S2.
So what's the other one?
S2. S2.
What's the other one?
S2.
Another one. How many two? How many? I want to compare if two are the same. So what's that?
Equal.
Equal, double equal. Okay, so you see two mapping. So this counter S1. Look, if S1 is what do we call it? 10, yeah. Let's call it 10, for example. So after this, what is D1? D1 is a dictionary. Eric, look, which is T equals 1, E equals 1, N equals 1, yes? And D2, if this is net, NET, right? You will be also this. Remember, the mapping in a dictionary, it is not have order, does not have order. It only has key value pair. So it means T letter has only appeared once in this and this. Okay, so there are two mappings that are exactly the same. Yes? So got it? So this is an object that we can use, counter, which is already taking this string and mapping it. So count how many times of letters appears in each string. Okay?
One.
Yes. So another way of doing it. Let's talk about another way of simplifying this dictionary. Remember, we talked about this dictionary, yeah? And we can have another object called D1 equals default. What's default mean? Default. What does it mean?
Default.
Default means
false. Another way.
No, default means by settings. Yeah?
Binary search.
No, it means that it's the given one if you don't specify it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, can you sit down please? Otherwise people will not see it. Please, sit down and be good boy. Eric, can you sit on the chair please?
My chair.
Yeah, okay. Now default did.
Did I do?
And then another one, D2 equals default did. So what can we do? Default did, we give an integer, okay? So we say it's this mapping will map into integers. So now we can do this. For I in S1, we iterate it, right? Instead of checking this key appears in the dictionary, we don't need to check it. This is the beauty of using the default dict. We can just do this. D1 what? I plus equals 1, okay? And then the next one is 1. For I, we iterate over the S2 string. D2 I plus equals 1. And then what's next? What's here? Everyone? What's this bit?
Return.
Where down? Where's that?
D1.
Yes, and then?
Equal.
Yes?
D2.
Well done! Wow, you got it. Can you see?
We got it.
Okay, so this is one way of doing it. Okay, and how many methods have I told you today?
3.
Yeah, 3. Actually 3. Yeah, this one, the previous one, and then another one.
Oh, baby.
What else?
Anagram.
This is anagram. Yeah, anagram. So any questions? Which method do you like best?
This one.
This
it's
one,
the
yeah?
shortest.
No. Remember, we have the shortest one. Remember?
It's number 2.
If it's the shortest one, you don't need this, right? And then you just need to replace this in what? Using what? Counter. Remember?
Yep.
Counter S1, counter X2, right? Okay? So these 2 methods are easy, simplest one. Okay? So pick one and then code it on your computer. And then the last thing, don't forget to say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh,
Okay,
baby.
okay.
Ooh, baby.